Illustrate the following fractions using appropriate diagrams. Solution. Question A has the fraction 3/5. That means we need to draw a shape that has been divided into 5 equal parts, and then out of those 5 equal parts, we need to shade 3 of them. So, let's draw a simple rectangle. Divide it into 5 equal sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now shade any 3 of these 5. 1, 2, and 3. This diagram therefore represents 3/5. Now take note, the part you shade really doesn't matter. What matters is the number of sides you have divided it into. You have to divide it into 5, and you have to shade any 3. So it could be this, this, and this as I have done, or it could be 3 that are very close to each other like 1, 2, 3. It could also be 1, 2, 3, depending. Just make sure that you do 3 parts shaded out of 5 equal parts that has been divided. Now let's go to B. For B, we have 7/8. Now, for this, let's draw a circle and divide this into 8 equal parts. Now it's 2. Now it's 4. And then with these 2 lines, we have 8 equal sides of a circle. This circle has been divided into 8 equal parts. Now, of these 8 equal parts, we have to shade how many? 7. So let's shade any 7 we like. So if we shade this, it is now 1 out of 8. Like this, it becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This therefore represents 7/8. Good. Now the C part, we have 11/13. You can take a pause and try this yourself, then compare with what we get. I expect that you would have drawn a shape like this. Remember, it can be any shape. You just have to have 13 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and now we have 13. Now, out of this 13, we have to shade 11. Pick any 11 you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now, out of these 13 equal parts, we have shaded 11. Therefore, this represents 11 out of 13. Then finally, D, we have 5/12. Now dividing this shape in order to have 12 equal parts. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 equal parts. Now, how many do we need to shade? 5. So pick any 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This therefore represents 5 over 12. Draw any shape also and use them to represent any given fraction you like. That is, you could write any fraction and then represent them or illustrate them using a shape. Thank you.